Oh, my birthday present has arrived early. It's the Galaxy Fold 6. So we're going to be unboxing it. Come and see what's inside the box. I'm excited. My first ever Fold. Let's see what happens. So, looks like I've got to tear this seal here. Oops. Very good, isn't it? Good job they got to tab that side as well. Look at that. There, right off. Right, let's take the other side off as well. The same for that one. There we go. And a cup of tea has arrived just in time. So I'm all excited. Oh, look at this. So what have we got inside the box? We have, so look in this top bit, a cable by the looks of it. I'll take it off and I'll show you in a second. Right, so inside the first bit you've got your quick start menus. You've got a cable and it's a USB C to, it's going to be C, yes, USB-C to C. Pincher for the check your SIM card. That was inside this bit. Now then, let's have a look. Is this to lift it out? It is, look. Oh, I am not very good at this, am I? Especially one-handed. How are we supposed to do that? That's, right, okay, so that must be the screen, but look. You know what, it's very light. Very light. And it looks lovely, look. So, let's have a look. Oh, look at that, look. And it folds. That is a bit, it's a little bit wider, so it's good. So there must be another cover there. Yep, another cover there for that one. So we'll put that to there. Is there going to be any power in it? I don't know. Let's have a look. I've got to probably hold the button. It's quite sleek and thin. It's got Samsung on the side. It's titanium. A SIM card up there. And the speakers. So let's press the button and see if there's any power in. Oh, looks like there's no power. Oh yes, there is. So my Galaxy Fold starting up for the first time. How quick is it? That's the next thing. I need two hands to unfold it, so I better unfold it the other way and see what happens. Or do I? Let's, oh, gotta go for all the setting up now. Right, I'm gonna set it up and I'll see you in a minute.